video. In this video, I am sharing about what is YouTube channel analytics. YouTube channel analytics is a powerful tool inside YouTube studios that show creator detailed data about how their videos and channel are performing. It gives you a real-time insight into your audience, videos, performance, and overall channel growth. Importance matter in the YouTube analytics. Views. How many people watch your videos? Watch time. Total minutes people spend watching your videos. Audience retention. How long viewers stay on your videos before leaving? Subscriber. How many subscribers subscribe your channels? And usually follows. Engagements. Like, comments, and share. Quick where your own videos search suggestion videos. Demographics. Age, gender, location of your audience. Benefit for your user creators. Understanding your audience. Know how is watching your content and what they like. Improving content strategies. See the videos content and get more of what your audience loves. Increase audience and viewers. Analyze help you optimize videos to keep viewers engaged longer. Grow subscriber. Identify trends to attract and return subscriber. Make data-driven decisions. Insight real data to improve your channel's performance. In a simple word, YouTube Analyze is a like a report card of your channels. It tells you what's working, what's not working, and how you can grow your audience faster. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for all viewers.